So PQ is a tangent to the circle with the center O at the point B. If angle AOB equals to 100 degree, then ABP is equal to, so from the given equation, angle of OAB will be equal to angle OBA from the isosceles triangle property, and angle OBP will be equal to 90 degree from the tangent, because of the tangent. So angle and OBA will be equal to 40 degree from the sum of angle of triangle property, and so the angle of ABP will be angle OBP minus angle OBA, that will be 90 minus 40, which is 50 degree. So answer is A, 50 degree.